Hello, in this video I will show you how to make match and move transition. Create new design, go to element or download your background. For me I will choose just this background and I will make grab for this ice cream. Set this image as background and resize the image and go to text. Ice cream. Change the font. This one look good and change the font color also. You can change it to any color you want. Make effect. And create the second page. Resize and create new text ingredients. Change the font also. Change the shadow to black shadow. And now we will write the ingredient. What's the text here? Change the font for this text. We will choose a popping. She looks good. And create animation for this text. And also for ingredient. And now go to transition to make match and move. Select match and move and change the duration. Now I will make less duration. Let's go change. Download the design as GIF extension or video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to make subscribe and see you in next video.